Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Steam games crashing on PC. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes for Steam games crashing, then this video will help you. So let's go ahead. So the first method to fix the issue is to check your internet connection. If the Steam games are crashing, then you should check your internet connection is stable or not. This is an important step because without internet you cannot play the games or launch the app as well. So if you're using mobile data, then go for Wi-Fi or do vice versa to keep your internet connection stable. Once internet is resolved, now try to check and launch the game and check if Steam crashing is fixed or not. Next solution is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. After that, go below expand display adapters, right click on your graphics card and click on update driver option, and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will update your graphics driver, and after that try to play the game on Steam and check if the issue is resolved. Apart from that, I have also provided the link in the descriptions for the other graphics driver from where you can easily download and install the latest drivers on your PC and then check and launch the games on Steam and check if the crashing or other issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to run Steam as administrator. For that, go to your desktop and right click on the Steam shortcut icon, right click on it and click on run as administrator. After this, check if the issue is resolved and Steam is opening or not, or you can play the game on Steam or not. The next solution is to verify game files. So whatever games is crashing or not launching on Steam, you simply need to verify the game files of that particular game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and then click on the game's install files, and then from there you can simply click on verify integrity of game files. Now try to play the game on Steam and then check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to check for conflicts. Ensure to disable your antivirus software because this can somewhere conflict in between the game and it stops the game from playing. Also look for other programs that might interfere with Steam and then try to launch Steam and check if the issue is resolved now. Next solution is to run command prompt. So what you have to do is simply go to the search option over here, search for command prompt. After this opens, enter the command that I have provided in the description and then press enter. This will scan the entire system, and after the scanning process is finished, now try to launch the Steam and check if the crashing or other issue is resolved or not. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates, and here you can see Windows Update interface. You simply click on check for updates option and it will search if there is any update available. After installing the latest update on your Windows, now try to launch Steam and check if the crashing issue is resolved or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to Steam, go to the search option over here, search for task manager. After it opens, under processes tab, find the apps that's of no use or is consuming high resources. So simply select that, right click on it and click on end task. This will close the unnecessary background task that is running, and after that try to launch Steam and see if this works. If not, the final method is to reinstall Steam. So what you need to do is simply go to the search options, search for control panel over here. Now click on uninstall a program, and from here you need to uninstall Steam. So select it, right click on it and then click on uninstall option. This will remove the Steam from your system. After that, restart your system once and again reinstall Steam and enter your username and password and then try to check if it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions that will help you to resolve that Steam games crashing on PC. and you can further play the games on Steam without any problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.